Yes, there is no blur. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Good morning,
Yes, ma'am, it is
everyone.
visible to me.
Yes, good
And
morning once
I can tell
again.
properly also.
Yes, it is clearly visible. See, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is clearly visible this worksheet to you all?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, Trisha? Okay. So I will start. Please join my class 5-10 minutes before if you want the revision of the topics, because every day I start the revision. So please come in my class before 5-10 minutes.
Ma'am, can you
Don't.
send me again?
No, it is there already in the
No,
classroom. It is
ma'am.
not possible to send individual trial again, my dear Tuisha. Go to classroom, open the worksheet again. Okay. So I'll stop the presentation. I'll start my class. It's already 9:31. And those who are joining late, it's their fault now. Teacher can't do anything. So children, we are going to do today's topic now. If I give you any fraction, for example, if I give you 15 upon 30, this is the fraction. Okay. If I give you 15 upon 30 and I tell you, make it a short fraction. Can anyone try how to make this fraction short? Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, 5 upon 10.
How 5 upon 10?
5 upon 3.
I think you're telling ulta, Dhyan.
3
Yeah,
upon 5.
5.
Yes. How you have tried, Dhyan? आपने कैसे ट्राई किया?
Ma'am, cause it was 15, so I removed 1 and down it was 30, so I removed 0.
No, it is not like that. I tell you how to do the short form of the fractions. See, check both the numerator or denominator should come in the one table. Can you please tell me both the numbers are coming in which table?
15, 15 to the 30.
5. 5. 15.
5.
5. Or it comes 15 table also. Yes or no?
Yes.
3, yes, 3.
15 ones are
And
15, we can say.
Yes.
And we can say 15 twos are 30.
Yes.
So this way we have done the short form of the fraction by checking that
Yeah.
numerator. Anya Mittal, Aryaman, Gunav, Karnav, Anushka, Dheere, Jahan, Priya, Deyash Desai, leave the class. Because everyone's camera is off, please leave the class.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
I don't want to teach logos. I want to teach to my real students. So please leave the class. Strictly, I'm telling you all. Nishika, welcome you to you after 3 minutes. Class is already started at 9:30. You are 3 minutes late. Take care next time. You will miss the topic. Then it will be very difficult. That you will easily say, ma'am, I was facing network issue. I don't want this question or the thing that I was facing network issue. That's why I joined late. Welcome, Mohit. And I know the students who are joining late, they will leave early also because they are very busy. They don't want to study. They will come late and leave early. Vedi, 4 minutes late. Ridan, 4 minutes late. Mohit, 4 minutes late. What I do with you all those who are coming late, tell me, students. I will also come tomorrow 15 minutes late. You wait in the class. No problem. I don't have any issue. And you should also be not have any issue with me, right? Because you are coming late, so I will also join class late. So those who have joined late, now look here, we are doing how to check the fractions, how we can make the fractions short. So as I told you that please check both the numbers, numerator and denominator should come in one table. For example, it is coming in 3 table also. It is coming in 5 table also. But we take the highest table. We take the highest table.
Highest table.
So highest table is 15. 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30. Now these are lowest. Now 1 and 2 are already lowest. We cannot make them more shorter because they are the short fraction. Clear? If I give you more sum, for example, 24 upon 32. Please check both the numbers should come in one table.
Ma'am,
And that
6
table should be
upon
the
8.
highest.
6 upon 8.
Ma'am,
6
ma'am,
upon 8.
4 table. 4
Yes, I
table.
have four.
Highest table. Because when you take 6 upon 8, then they are also coming in one table. Then again we have to do it into the short. Because 6 is coming in 2 and 4 is also coming in 2. So better, instead of going the small tables, better go with the big table which is... Yes, Anushka.
Big table.
Which table?
Ma'am, 8 table.
How many times?
24 is 3za and 4za is 32.
Now they both are not coming in any table. So we stop. Now this is the short form of this fraction. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 3 upon 4 we cannot make it more shorter because they both are not coming in any table. Okay. This method is applicable only when the numbers are small and you can easily check whether they are coming in the table or not. But what if the numbers are big? क्या करोगे? कैसे check करोगे? There is one method I'll tell you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, but 2, 3 and 4 both come in the one table.
No, but we cannot. Now they're coming in one table. No, so after that we will not cut. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes, please ask.
I am Rudra.
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, the pieces, if the pieces are 100 and the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so how it can be the pieces?
Numerator is bigger than the
Denominator. So
numerator,
how it could be? The
like
pieces
this
are-
upon this. 9
Yes.
upon 8. I will explain
This
you
is
how to-
incorrect fraction.
No. When we learn the types of the fraction, there we will learn it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Rudra, yes, this is also one type of a fraction. I will explain you how.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Haji, yes.
Ma'am, in the last, you showed that 24 upon 32, we have to make it short. So, ma'am, we can do it on the 4 table also. There was 8.
See, as I am using the word, use the bigger table. Then it will be easy for you. You can do with 2 also. You can do with 4 also. You can do with 6 also. Okay. But I am using the word, use the bigger table. Okay. Then what happen? It will be directly you will able to make the shorter. But if you use 2 table, in 2 table it is coming 12 times, right? And in 2 table this is coming 6 times.
Ma'am, I am telling of 4 table. 4.
I am starting with 2 so that you can understand. So if I am doing with the 2 table again, now 12 and 16 is also coming in the table where both the numbers are coming. Can you tell me?
Yes.
4 as you were telling.
2, 6.
Again it is going with the 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 8 are 16. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then again 6 upon 8 is also going with the 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So आपको कितने सारे steps करने पड़े ना? So before going, instead of going so many steps, better find out which big number will be divisible by both. Okay?
Okay.
इससे अच्छा तो आप ऐसी डायरेक्ट टेबल नंबर ढूंढो जो दोनों में आता है, right? That 8 in the table of 8, if you say 24 is also divided, 32 will also be divided, and then you will get directly 3 upon 4. After that you cannot do the lowest. इसका और short form नहीं बना सकते. Now why we cannot make the short form? Now 3 and 4 are not coming in any table. Instead of 1 को नहीं accept करना है हमें. 1 के अलावा ये किसी table में आते हैं? No. They both are coming in their own table. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Yes.
Yes.
So better. That's why I'm using the word use the big table, so that directly it can be done the short form. If you use the small table, that also right, but it will take time to come up the lowest fraction. To come up the word lowest, I'm using lowest fraction or the short form of the fraction, same thing. Okay. So when I say reduce to the lowest, if question comes to you, reduce to lowest term, don't get confused. Lowest term means short form of that fraction. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is the method applicable when the numerator and denominator are the small numbers. What if the numbers are big? If the numbers are big, what you will do in that case? In that case, we will see that, see, for example, the fraction is 48 upon 64. Okay. And now there is one more method of finding out that which table is going in both the numbers. I'll tell you how. First of all, you check 48. Is 48 is divisible by 2? Is 48
Yes.
is divisible by 2? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we write here it is divisible. But how many times? How many times? 2 times. Very excellent. 48 is divided by 2 times. What is your question that will come? Quotient when you divide 48 by 2.
24.
24. So 2 multiplied by 24 gives you 48.
24.
2 multiplied by 24 gives you 48. Means 2 times when you are doing 24. 2 multiplied by 24 is equals to 48. Yes or no? Now, is 48 coming in the 3 table? Is 48 is divisible by 3? Check. Check when there is no remainder, then it will be exactly
No, ma'am.
divisible.
No.
Please check. Please check. When there is no remainder, it will be exactly divisible.
Division करो.
I'm telling you, do it.
48 divided by
48 divided by 3.
3.
Dhyan Dalal, mute your mic and do it.
Ma'am, 16.
How many times it is going?
16 times.
16.
So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 16 is equal to 48, we can say, because it is divisible by 16. Now please check whether 48 is divisible by 4.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 12.
How many times?
12.
12 is 48.
12, sir.
Now please check whether it is divisible by 5.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Whether it is divisible by 6. Whether it is divisible by 6.
Yes.
Yes.
How many times? How many times? In table of 6, 48 comes up in how many times?
6,
6, 8, 48. Now check with 7.
Yes.
In table of 7, 48 comes.
No, ma'am. No.
No,
7,
ma'am.
7 is 49. So 48 is not coming.
Yeah, ma'am. No.
See, children, till how many numbers we check like this? Can you guess? Till how many numbers we check like this, whether the number is divisible or
10.
not?
10.
Till 10. Till 10. But here, if you have noticed, you have done with 6.
10.
Then you said 7 se nahi hoga, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now, when you see, this is in the form of U, we will go. We have done with 2, we have done with 3, we have done with 4,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
with 6, but you said 7 में नहीं होता, 8 is already there, 9 में नहीं है, 9 के टेबल में 48 नहीं आता, 10 में भी 48, so we stop. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now we can say 48 is coming in which all the tables? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24. Which all the tables?
2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24.
6, 8, 12, 16,
and
and 24. Okay. Now check with the 64 same like. Please start doing in your notebooks. If you have notebooks near to you, start doing and tell me the answer. And tell me this way, all the numbers, the way we have taken out in the 48. Do it with the 64. Start with 2. Always start with 2. Is the 64 is divisible by 2? Riddhan, 64 is
Yes,
divisible by
ma'am.
2? How many
Yes.
times?
32.
32 times 64. Is 64 divisible by 3?
No. No.
No.
No.
Is 64 divisible by 4?
Yes.
How
Yes.
many times?
16.
Is 64 divisible by 5?
No.
No.
Divisible by 6?
Yes. No. No.
No.
Divisible by 7?
No.
No.
Divisible by 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How many times?
8.
Divisible by 9?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Divisible by 10? Divisible by 10?
No.
So now we stop. Now we make a U-turn. Now we write, these are called factors. What are you writing? Factors. ये 48 जो है 2 की टेबल में, 3 में, 4 में, 6, 8, 12, 16, these all are the tables जिसमें 48 आता है. Next 64 किस किस की टेबल में आता है जो आपने निकाल दिया? Tell me now. I will write when you tell me the numbers.
2, 4, 8,
Now
16,
now
32.
when 2
32.
times 8 is coming, you write only one time 8. Then
16.
and 16 and 32.
16 and 32.
Got it?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will
Now-
find the common, highest common in both the numbers. Which is the highest common number?
32. 4 and 2. 4 and 2.
Highest means, you know, highest word means bada,
32.
which is common in both. Wait a minute.
2.
See, 2 is the smallest, 2 is the
16.
smallest,
2 and 8. 2 and 8.
4 is the smallest,
8 is smallest. 16 is
16.
smallest.
16.
16.
Which is the highest common factor. We have taken out the factors. What are these? Factors. So highest common factor is 6.
16.
Okay.
16.
Now when you divide this, 16 is the highest, which is common in both. 32 तो है ही नहीं दोनों में ना, एक में ही है, तो it cannot be common. Common क्या होता है? What is common? Which both the numbers is having. You also having, I am also having. That will be common. But here the common is, highest common is 16. So in this case, what you will do? Now after finding the highest common, divide that number with both the numbers, with the numerator and with the denominator. Now tell me, when 48 divided by 16, what will be your answer? What is the answer?
3.
3. And 16
Ma'am,
divided by 64. Tell me the answer. Tell me fast. How can we 25, 16, 64 divided by 16? Yes, Nishika?
4.
4. Very good. Now, this is the short form. After this, can you make it more shorter now? No. Because,
4.
yes, now they are coming in their own table. Now we cannot make them shorter. Okay. So when the numbers are big, how you did? First, you have checked these numbers are coming in which table till 10. Okay. Then you have noted down all the factors of that number. Okay. Then after that, you have checked out the denominator is coming in which table is divisible by which all the numbers. Then you have noted down the factors of denominator. Then what you have done after writing the factors of numerator and denominator, you have taken out the highest common. HCF it is called, highest common factor. What you have taken out?
Highest common factor.
Ma'am,
Highest common factor.
I know how to find LCM.
Yeah, good. So you have find out the highest common factor, which was 16, and then you divided with the 16. Then you wait a minute. Yes, then you got the answer. Let me take the attendance for a minute, and then we continue. And now I will give you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have a doubt also.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, 4 also is still, we can still divide 4 in 2 times.
As I told,
Also four
both should come. Both should be divisible together. Okay. Hey, Kanch, please stop sending this link. Priya, Twisha, Rahil, Vedi, turn on your camera and look here. Yes, now Ayush, your difficulty, your problem.
Ma'am, can you tell the concept again? I didn't understand.
With the another sum, I'll tell you. And meantime, everyone take out a notebook and start doing this. The number is 85 upon 100. Check. 85 is divisible by which all the numbers? 100 is divisible by which all the numbers? Okay. Can we do here?
Write this in notebook now.
Yes. Write this in notebook and do along with me. Step by step. First we check with 2. Is 85 divisible by 2?
No.
Rudra Master, 85 divisible by 2? Kusha Muja, is 85 divisible by 2?
No, ma'am.
Divisible means when there is no remainder is coming. Complete divisible. Rudra Jajadia, Dhyan Chillai, Karnav, is 85 divisible by 2?
No, ma'am.
So what we would do, we will move to the next number. Is 85 divisible by 3?
No.
Is 85 students? Yes, decide 85 divisible by 3?
No, ma'am.
Then we go to the 4. Is 85 divisible by 4?
No.
No, ma'am.
Jahan Agarwal, is 85 divisible by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? 5 की table में how many times 85?
17.
Very good. Wait a minute. 17. And we get the 85. Now, Ayush, please pay attention. I'm explaining the concept again. Now, after 5 is 85 divisible by 6, Anushka?
No.
Only one child is giving me answer. Which child is this? I think Rudra Jajadia is telling me, right? Who is telling me this answer?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Is
ma'am.
85 divisible by 7?
No, ma'am.
Divisible by 8?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Divisible by 8? Divisible
No,
by
ma'am.
9?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No. No.
Divisible by 10?
Yes.
No, ma'am. No.
Divisible by 10? Rudra? No.
No, ma'am.
So what are the factors of 85 now? Only 2 factors have come.
5.
5 and
7.
17.
17. Now go to the next number, 100. Find out the factors of 100 now. Is 100 divisible by 2?
Yes.
How many times?
Yes, 50
5. Wait.
times. 50 times.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I
85.
I understand.
Eight-
I understood.
Ayush, 85
I
is
understand how
divisible by
came-
5.
how-
85 is divisible by 5 17
Yes, then how
times.
did 17 come?
17 times. 5 17s are 85.
Okay, yes.
Got it?
Yes, okay. So 17 और 5 दोनों आ जाएगा.
Yes, both the number. As I said, no, take a U-turn. U-turn में जितने भी factors आएंगे सारे लेने हैं आपको.
Ma'am, what we have to write the heading?
Reduce to the lowest term. Reduce to the lowest term. Now tell me, after 2, is 100 divisible by 3?
No.
Students,
No.
is 100 divisible by 4?
No. 4. Yes.
Is 100
4 yes. 4 yes.
Yes, tell me. How many times?
25.
25. Ma'am, can you show me the heading?
Reduce to the lowest term. Yes, check.
Yes, ma'am.
TERM. Lowest term means short form बनाना है आपको इस fraction को. Okay, so somebody was telling yes or no. How many times, please? 100 divisible.
25.
25.
25 times. Is 100 divisible by 5?
Yes.
How many times?
20.
20 times. 20 times.
Is 100 divisible by 6?
No.
7?
No.
8?
No.
9?
No.
10?
Yes.
How many times?
Yes.
10.
10.
Ma'am, 6, 7, 8, 9, no, and 10, yes.
Yes. So now we stop because we check every number with till 10. Now take a U-turn and write all the factors of 100. Which all the factors are coming? 2, 4,
4. 5.
5,
10.
10.
20,
20.
If 10 is coming 2 times or any number is repeating 2 times, write only 1 time. 20, 25,
5, and
50.
50.
Now see which is the highest common in both the numbers.
5.
Which is the highest common, children?
10.
10 तो दोनों में है ही नहीं रुद्र. ध्यान,
Five.
sorry.
5.
5. Take that 5, divided it with both numerator and denominator. Now tell me the answer.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
85 there is only 5 na?
5 and 17. Take a U-turn. दोनों factors हो गए. चाहे वो एक ही लाइन में क्यों नहीं आ रहे हो. When you are taking a U-turn 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 25, 50. So here
Then
only
20
this
upon
5 and 17.
20 upon
5 is
And 17.
What it is coming? 17 upon
20.
20. So now is 17 and 20 is divisible in any table? Are they both coming in any one table? No.
No.
So 17 upon 20 is your answer. Got it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
see, ma'am, first we will take the numerator.
Hmm.
I'm just telling what I understood my step. Please just assure them. First we take the numerator.
Yes.
Try to divide them from 1 to 10.
Hmm. Those who are leaving my class 5 minutes before, next time they will not allow me to come to my class, please. I'm taking the attendance again. 5 students I can see they have already left the class. Yes, Ayush, please continue.
Yes. So 1 to 10, then we have to, after dividing 1 to 10, we have to take a U-turn. So first we will write all the factors that were we divided from 1 to 10. We will write them, and we will also write the how many divided, like if 4 was for 100, if 4 was it, so we will also write how many times.
Yes.
We will also
4.
write how many times everything,
Yes.
and then we will take the denominator, do the same, and then find the highest factor. Compare them both, find the highest factor in both, and then divide
Highest
them and
common
take the
factor. Highest common factor. Highest factor can be 25, 50, but use the word highest common. Common means with the factor which is in both. The number which is in both. Highest common. Okay. Highest भी होना चाहिए, common भी होना चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am. So we first we will take out HCF, and then we will from the HCF we will make it short term.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am giving you one more sum. Do it by yourself. I am giving you small numbers. 12 upon 20. Find the lowest sum of 12 upon 20. Write fast and tell me fast. Jahan Agarwal, Dhyan Dalal, start doing in your notebooks. 12 upon 20. Ekans left the meeting.
Is it okay if I do it in a paper and then copy?
Yes, yes. You can do it later on in your notebook. 12 upon 20.
12 upon 20.
Ma'am, 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are 20.
Who is telling?
Vaidi Salya.
Vedi is telling 2 6 are 12 and 2 10 are 20. Vedi, now 6 and 10 is still coming in one table.
Oh.
तो आप और इसको लोएस्ट करो. Okay.
Ma'am, 3 upon 5.
Excellent. Excellent, Priya. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 3 upon 5. I have told you one this method also, no? When the numbers are small, you can directly cut them in this way. But if the numbers are big, what if you do? You can do the same method with small numbers. Don't get yourself confused. Whichever the method is convenient for you, you apply that method and start doing. Am I clear? There, yes? Can I give you one more, sir? 49 upon 63. 49 upon 63.
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
I am saying verbally also, no problem, maybe network issue. 49 upon 63. Dhyan, can you hear me now? Write one fraction, 49 upon 63, and do it into the lowest term.
No.
Ma'am, it will come 1 in 8. I have not done 2 till 5, but 1 will come in 8. I know that.
Is this, ma'am, is this the reduced term one or it?
Yes, you need to reduce it. You need to make a short form or short fraction of this fraction. 49 upon 63. And children, I told you yesterday to make a spin top. Did there any child made that? I'm going to put it in the activity folder today, and it is compulsory for all you to make this spin that top, which is given on your page number. So I will make an activity folder. You have to make and attach your work there. Tell me 49 upon 63 fast. If such numbers come, you can directly check these two numbers are coming in which table. Both the numbers are coming in which table?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, in 49 it's coming only in 7.
And 63 is coming in which table? Are they
Ma'am,
coming?
I
Are
am
both the numbers is coming in one table? Then only it is possible. Both the
3.
numbers should. No, both the numbers should come in one table.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I was still doing the 12 by 20. 12 by 20. Ma'am, I was still doing the 12 by 20.
Ma'am, answer is 9.
I took out the factors. They were 2. For the 12, it was 2. Ma'am, for the 12, it was 2, 6, 3, 4. And for 20, it was 2, 10, 4, 5. So, the highest HCF was 4. But now, what will I do for 4?
Now divide.
4 when I get 4?
Divide numerator and denominator by 4 by HCF.
Okay. I'll do that quickly. 4 and 12. 4 3s are minus 12, 0, 0, 20. So 4, 20. 5s are
Ma'am, ऊपर 7 and नीचे 9.
Use the word numerator and denominator.
3 by 5.
Ma'am, in numerator it will be 7 and in denominator it will be 9.
Excellent. Ayush is also right. Thank you, students. I'll send a worksheet based on today's concept. Do it. If any doubts, we will discuss tomorrow in the class. And
I
please,
can't understand this topic nicely.